Welcome back to the Integrated Leader Podcast. All week, we've been talking about project management, how different personalities work, what motivates them, and how to keep things on track without losing your mind. Today, I want to wrap up with something simple. So if you forget everything else from this week, just remember this one thing. Projects don't fail because people are bad at their jobs. They fail because no one knows exactly what's expected. That's it. Clarity is everything. The clearer you are about what needs to be done, by when, and why it matters, the smoother everything runs. So today we're going to talk about how to do that in the real world without overcomplicating it. Let me paint a picture. You're leading a project, and at first everything seems great. People are saying got it in meetings, nodding their heads, sending quick thumbs up reactions in Slack, and you assume things are rolling. Then a week before the deadline, you check in and realize nothing is actually finished. Everyone thought they knew what they were supposed to do, but no one was actually moving in the same direction. Sound familiar? That's what happens when expectations aren't crystal clear. And once you're in that situation, fixing it takes way more time than if you had just been clear from the start. So how do you make sure this doesn't happen? Simple, they say. Every task, every project, every expectation should be clear enough to fit in one sentence. Not 5 sentences, not a vague, let's make progress on this, just one sentence that answers these 3 things. What exactly needs to be done? When is it due? And how will I know when it's finished? So instead of saying, hey, can you work on that report? Say, I need a 1-page summary of Q1 sales trends broken down by region by Friday at noon. Instead of, let's check in later, say, let's touch base Thursday at 10 a.m. to go over what's done and what's left. When everyone knows exactly what's expected, work moves faster, projects stay on track, and you don't have to chase people down at the last minute. Most project issues aren't about skill or motivation. They're about clarity. People aren't mind readers. The more precise and direct you are, the less room there is for confusion. So if you take one thing away from this week's theme, let it be this. Be the person who makes things clear. If you do that, everything else, delegation, accountability, project success, falls into place. That's it. Next week, we're shifting gears to talk about something every leader faces at some point, high-stakes leadership moments. These are the times when pressure is high, the stakes are real, and how you lead can change everything. If this episode helped you, send it to someone who could use it. And if you want daily practical leadership insights, hit follow so you don't miss what we do next week. Thank you for tuning in to the Integrated Leader Podcast. Keep leading with awareness, and I'll see you next week.